Good morning. Welcome to the Ag Market Network Morning Update. I'm Pat McClatchy. Welcome to this edition of the 19th of May. Looking at overnight, we are dominated right now by the value of the dollar. The dollar's up for the second day, sharply higher. But let's get into our overnight activity. July cotton was down earlier. Right now, the July cotton is up about 1 at 64.93. The low of the day is 64.63 and the high is 65.24, and it was up toward that high maybe 5 minutes ago. The December cotton is right now up 5 at 65.23, and it's been about 23 higher, and it's been about 30 or so lower than this. Looking at soybeans and the grains, soybeans are down 3 1/4 at 9.51 1/4 for July beans. July beans have been about a penny lower than this, and overnight they were at one point about 5 cents higher than this. November soybeans down 2 1/2 at 9.22 1/2. It's very close to its low from overnight right now. The July corn down 4 at 3.64. That's its low from overnight. And looking at December corn is down 4 at 3.81 3/4, and that's almost on its low from overnight. Wheat down 9 3/4 at 5.12. It's about a penny over its low at the moment, and it was at one point about 12 cents higher than this during the night. Looking at the dollar just rallied more. It's up 102 points right now in the dollar index, and as we look around, we'll see the effect. Crude oil selling off on its low of the day, down 83 cents a barrel. And then looking at gold's down $11.20 an ounce. That's very close to its low. S&P futures right now, S&P futures up 4.7. Looking at the markets and some of the news, yesterday we were supposed to have our planning progress at export inspections. The USDA came out with an announcement during the day yesterday that that's been delayed because of technical difficulties. They've not scheduled a date for its release. We'll keep an eye on that. Then we've got the rain situation as it affects cotton overnight. Expected to get rain in West Texas. We did get that. It's currently raining right now in Texas, so at a time that Texas farmers really need to be getting their crop planted, we're continuing to be delayed because of rain. I'm looking at the forecast right now for cotton in the West Texas area, looking at Lubbock. The rest of the day, 60% chance of rain. Wednesday, a 20% chance. Thursday, a 50% chance of rain. Friday, a 60% chance of rain. And then skipping over to Sunday, 60% chance of rain. Next week, right now, they're calling for a 20% chance of rain. So we'll keep an eye on that, let you know of any changes there. Looking at the calendar, and we've already had one of these numbers that we think is the reason the dollar's continuing to rally. Housing starts just came out. Then we also have the API energy stocks that will come out at 3:30. That'll affect our crude oil. So that's it for the day. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Ag Market Network Morning Update. Thank you.